How does the Facebook schedule post schedule works? Now I am already on a page. This is not an account. This is a page that I manage. Now when I scroll down, you will see here says 10 scheduled posts. I don't know if you are seeing it. 10 scheduled posts, meaning that I have scheduled 10 posts that will appear at the time that I have set it to. So how did I set this? Now to set a post, now to set a post, all these posts you're seeing here, I'm not online when they appeared on this page, but I'm the one that set them to appear at the time that I want it to appear. So what do I do? What I do now is this. I will go at the top here. You will see we have page, we have notification, we have insight. Insight will help you know the details about those people that liked your page, when they visit your page, their interests, and their demography, their age bracket, so that you will know you have a statistics of your page audience, and it will also help you in posting something. Okay, in posting something that you think that will appeal to that age bracket. So here I will click on publishing tools. Click on publishing tools. It will take you to the publishing window. Forgive me, my internet is a little bit slow just now. It's about to run. Okay, the publishing tools is open. It's still coming up. Now I have, if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see publishing post, published post, scheduled post, draft, expired post. Now all these are also tools that you can use to initiate one command or the other. So now our interest is on scheduled post. How do I schedule my post? So by the time I clicked here, it will take me to all the scheduled posts. These are all my scheduled posts, and each of them will appear at the time it was set to appear. So the last post that I scheduled here is 4th of April 2018 at 11:11. So this is the last post. That means I still have posts that will run till April the 4th. So I need to add another one, April the 6th. So I will go to create. To bring out the dialog box, what do I want to type? Is a picture I want to post. I will click on photo, and then I will click on upload photos and videos. Go to desktop. The picture is in desktop. So click on it and say open. I can write something. I can choose not to write something. All depends on you. Now let's say we want to schedule December. Remember what I said before? I said it is 6 months at a time. 6 months at a time. So if I click here and then come here and, come here, wow, go to as far as December and click. You see it's not active. It cannot allow me to schedule up to December. It's 6 months highest. So you can see as of September 10th is active. 11 is not active. So I can schedule till September 10th, but I can't schedule till 11. But tomorrow, if the tomorrow being 18th, this one will get activated, so I can schedule to 11th. So this is the way it works. So since the last one we scheduled there was April 4th, we can now say April 6th. And then we now put the time. The time is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Okay. So if it's 10 p.m., that means it will be around that should be um 10 p.m. should be either 22. Yes, it should be 22 hours. So I'll click on schedule. So this is it. If you close this, you see that 6th of April has entered. I can create another one. This time around 8th of April. So when it is 6th April by 10 a.m. in the morning, that post will appear on your page and people will start seeing it to activate automatically. So this, open. Now the last one was 6th. The next one will be 6th at 8, 11, 11. I see schedule. So this is how to schedule posts in Facebook. This is how to schedule posts in Facebook. So let's move to the big one. The big one. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, let's move on.